Hello, welcome. My name is Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums and to this short video, which is a sound demo video. It's to accompany my Etsy listing. It's for this rather lovely drum just here. This is a 20-inch, so it's a big one. Buffalo skin drum. It's on a beechwood frame. If I turn it over, field maple handle for the branch here, which is rather beautiful. I burnt information on the inside of the frame here, so you'll always have the reference for the materials used in the birthing of this drum. Buffalo and beechwood is burnt on the inside. I've burnt in the date when the drum was birthed, 28th of September 2025, Knighton, Powys, UK. Also my maker's mark in their Driftwood Hollow Drums. All the details will be in the link below, which will take you to the Etsy listing. I'm going to play with a soft beater and a firmer beater, and either of those will be an option as well. So I'm going to start with a soft one. Here we go. Got a beautiful deep resonance to it, this drum, especially with that softer beat, and the softer beat tends to give a more muted, gentle, deeper sound, whereas this is a firmer beater. It'll give a brighter sound, probably a bit louder. So here we go, let's have a play. The microphone often doesn't pick up the subtleties of the timbres of the drum. So I was playing quite gently in places there and quite harshly in places as well. And when you're playing very gently, the microphone doesn't always pick it up, but you've got a beautiful rumbling low sound going on there. That's the limitations of my equipment, although we've got good microphones, they don't always pick up these low frequencies. Okay, all of that rambling on. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps you to make a more informed decision. Yeah, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Bye for now.